Okay, so now we're going to talk about how to multiply binomials. Okay, and what does that mean? Binomials, two terms, okay? So to do this, you're going to use the for method. And you're going to use hear this term for the rest of your high school years. Okay, so what that means, okay, is FOIL. Okay, is first, outer, inner, and then last. Okay, after you do this, then you're going to combine like terms. Okay. So let's look at the first example. Okay, so remember for. Okay, so first, so I'm going to multiply my first terms together. Okay, multiply my coefficients. 3 times 5 is 15. And then use the product properly with my exponents. There's not an exponent, so there's an understood 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. Then it says outer, so your two outer ones. Okay, 3 times negative 3 is going to give you a negative 9. Okay, then I don't have an x over here to combine, so I'm just stuck with that 1x. Then my inner terms. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10, and I just have that 1x. And then last, my two last terms. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Okay. So with this, you pretty much want to make sure that everything combines. Okay, that you distribute this to everything and then this one to every single thing. And we use this method because it helps you remember and it makes sure that you include everything. So this only works with binomials, so 2. That looks like this. Okay, and then step 2 is you're going to combine like terms. So let's see. So I just have 15x squared, I have negative x, and then I have another 10x. So those are the only two I can combine. And remember, you still need to write in descending order. And negative 9x plus 10x is going to give me x. And I have negative 6. And this is my answer. Okay. So let's do another one. Now remember, I'm going to do my first. Okay, x times x. Okay, remember there's an exponent of 1. My bases are the same, so 1 plus 1 is going to give me 2. My outer terms. X times 4, again my coefficient here is 1, 1 times 4 is plus 4, and then I just have my x. Okay, my inner two terms, 5 times x is just 5x, and then my last terms, 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, identify my like terms and combine them. Okay, 4x plus 5x is going to give me plus 9x plus 20. And that is my answer. Okay. So another one that looks interesting is you're going to see one that looks like this. Okay. So remember 2, that exponent means that there are 2 factors of this. So we can rewrite that as x plus 2, x plus 2. Okay? there's two factors of that. So before we can multiply this, we have to rewrite it. And now we can use the for method for this. Okay? So I have my first terms, x times x. Remember, there's an exponent of 1, so that's x squared. My adder 2. 2 times x is just 2x. My inner, again, 2 times x is 2x. And then my last, 2 times 2 is 4. Then combine like terms. Okay, and I have x to the second plus 4x plus 4. And that is my answer. Sometimes they're not always going to be this straightforward, okay? Sometimes they might look like this. And if that's the case, you cannot use for method because you don't have two binomials, okay? You have to distribute this 2x into every single thing in this parentheses, and then you have to distribute this 3 in, okay? So, first thing I'm going to do is work on this 2. So, 2x times 4x to the squared. So, 2 times 4 is going to give me 8. Okay, this doesn't have an exponent, so we're going to put 1. My bases are the same, so I can combine. 1 plus 2 is going to give me 3. Then I need to distribute that 2 to the next thing, which is 5x. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then I have to do one last thing to that negative 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. I don't have anything to combine, so I just have 1x. So now that you've done that, now you have to go back and do the 3. So 3 times 4 is going to give me 12. Okay, then x squared, I have nothing to combine it for 2, so I'm just going to leave it like is, as is. 3 times 5 is 15. Again, leave the x. And then 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Okay. Now I have to combine like terms. Okay, this is where Tuesday's lesson comes into play. Okay, do I have anything to combine with x cubed? Nope. X squared? Yes. Okay, now look at your x's. Do I have anything to combine to the x? Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to combine and leave as is. So I have 8x to the cube. 10 plus 12 is going to give me 24. I mean, not 24, 22. X to the squared. Then negative 4 plus 15x is going to give me plus 11x. And then I have negative 6. Okay, and that is my answer. So I want you to pause the video, try this next one. Okay? And then once you've done it, come back for the solution. Okay? Welcome back. So this time we can use the for method to solve it. So 3 times 5 is going to give me 15. Then combine my exponents. 1 plus 1 is 2. So I have x to the squared. 3 times negative 8. Okay, that's going to give me negative 24. X. Okay. Then do my inner. 4 times 5 is 20x. And then my last, 4 times 8 is going to give me 32. Negative 32. Then combine my like terms. So my final answer is going to be 15x squared minus 4x minus 32. Okay. So if you have any questions on this, again, please let me know. Join my Google Meets. Okay, I have one on Friday. If today is Friday that you're watching this video, then you can join today. Okay, hope you all have a wonderful day.